Patricia, where you dress up I go?
Blossom, you know, say, I watch me, I go, you know. Yes, watch it. When I'm like a long time friend, them invite me and watch it. So we tell Tyrone, say, I'm here and you. Yes, I'm here and you, Blossom, and Michelle, and Valda, I go and watch it. No go so. Me say, let me tell you something. Me tired of Tyrone. Me tired of Tyrone. Me tired of Tyrone. Me tired of Tyrone, Blossom. Tyrone obsessed. Blossom, I can't breathe. I am choking. Tyrone wouldn't even let breeze pass through. Sometime by the time I reach out of the road, a Tyrone that I call. Since me left out of the house, a 6 time Tyrone called the phone. You know, I lock off the phone and put it in the bag. Anyhow, him say anything to me, me just tell him say the battery run out. I'm tired of it. Tyrone obsessed. And when you see the man them so obsessed, you know, Blossom, them will hurt you, they will do you things. Obsession is not a nice thing. Me know when I tell me say Tyrone love me and all these things, but no go so, Blossom, no go so. That is obsession. Obsession is totally different from love. You must love somebody and give them space and time to breathe. Make breeze pass through them, but no. Sick and tired of Tyrone now. Because me know one day, it will get out and it will do me something. Tyrone now want hear my phone ring. Nobody can call me by the time the phone ring at Tyrone that take up the phone and I answer the phone. It doesn't matter who call me. Sometimes the boss call. He must say when the boss call me for me the offer. That is obsession. Tyrone need to relax. He won't get himself in a trouble one day. He need to relax. You don't see it that way, Valda don't see it that way. But it is like that. I know. It's consuming. It's overwhelming. It's unbearable. I'm tired of it. Every evening, Tyrone out at the bus stop and wait for me. I don't know. It's like he don't even stop when he go to work to talk to nobody. Because he leave work before me. He reach home and do everything we're supposed to be done and reach at the bus stop and wait for me till I come off of work 6:30. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. Yes. One evening I come home and one of my co-worker dropped me and Jesus Savior. I am so happy it never get physical. But Tyrone behave in a manner I never seen before like that. It's like Tyrone change. I'm telling it's not easy. It's not easy. So, may I go try go out and relax myself this evening with me and my friend them. Yes! I want seafood restaurant them I go and watch it, but you know me already, me not like seafood. It's not like my allergic to seafood, me just don't like it. But since I know me I spend, yes, since I know me I go to the spending, me I go down there to see where me can eat and enjoy myself, relax my mind. Because Tyrone outfit, oh my, I don't even want to tell you. It's annoying sometimes for the way old Tyrone can behave. Yes, alright. And bless her, let me tell you something. If you hear him a call your phone, don't answer him. Don't answer him. Don't answer him, bless him. And please, no, don't bother say nothing at all to nobody. So you see me going anywhere at all. Because we can't take the pressure. We can't take the pressure. Tyrone out for run me mad. Out for run me mad. Yes, man, him out for run me mad. Me tired, man. Me can't take it. You like my hairstyle? I told them I do the ear. Told them I do the ear. I'm going to tell you, say, Tyrone have to come out of the hairdresser with me. Yes. Because you know you have the unisex. Yes. With the barber shop and the hairdresser together. Tyrone have to come a barber shop. I mean, no, some of the boy want to watch, you know. I'm going like say a barber shopping come. Me just a laugh to myself. Because I know say I want like a watchman. But I not even know how I get mixed up with Tyrone, you know. It's nice, you know. Because it would help me with the house and things like that, you know. Yes, and cook and things like that. But Lord have mercy, the obsession. Ooh. Ooh, it's like pot of boil. Ooh, the obsession is overwhelming, overbearing. Oh Lord. Oh God. Mm. Sometimes I feel so consumed. Ooh, I need to breathe. Yes. It, yes, him even have a bad style that me don't like. Yes. Sometimes me I go to the bathroom and at this Tyrone that stand up at the door just to hear if me I go in there talk on phone. No man, no, he must relax. He must relax. Hmm? Yes, man, man not supposed to behave like that at all. Oh, good gosh, man. Sometimes me say, you know what? I must love. But then me say, no, no love, not act like that. That is obsession, total obsession. I mean, no, it will get out of hand one day. Yes. So before it get out of hand, me need to start take time drift away from him. See if him can ease it down. Yes, man. Mhm. All right then, see you girl, see you, see the drive come here now. Yes, see the drive come here, all right. I don't know what time I'm coming back, so see you tomorrow. And remember, if you see Tyrone I call you, don't answer the phone. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you.